amazing. Happy Thursday. This is I Am Royalty, back with another video. If you're new here, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on. Don't forget to comment and whatever. I heard something. Hearing this little there was nobody. I didn't go even, well, I looked out the door, but I ain't go walking looking for nothing. I was talking to Zay about that earlier. You know, black people, we don't need to be like looking for, you know, we don't really go looking for what's that, you know. But I know I don't. I ain't looking for that. Y'all see no movies and no scary movies with my folks. Y'all, I have to stop coming on camera looking a mess. I know I'm giving y'all the real a stay home mom, but I gotta not have my hair looking crazy. It'd be crazy the whole video, then we go out somewhere, then I'll be cute. And then sometimes I go out and my hair be crazy because I'm like, I can't believe I was filming my face. Because I said no. No, really, I just need to wash my hair. And I have not got it done since I last went to get my hair done in, what's it, January? Yeah, like the 3rd of January. So yeah, it's been over a month since I got my hair done. I really want braids. I want braids or a sew-in. I haven't had a sew-in since 2019. When I think about it, it makes me sad. Cause y'all, your girl loved the sew-ins, okay? The sew-ins were on point. And now that my hair has grown, like on my edges part, the sew-in about to be fire. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be immaculate, superior. Y'all knew that was coming though, right? Superior. It's chick spelling. It's superior. Zadie is superior. Y'all know Zadie in here with me. She ain't with me. But alrighty.
Bye-bye, Zadie. See you later.
Say bye, Daddy. So they canceled school today because we're having like, that's why it's so dark. Been having like tornado warnings and things like that. Earlier today the power was out. When the power went out, I started cracking up because I was saying that pause a second. Okay, so when the power went out, I definitely wanted to show y'all that the power was out, but it was so dark. It happened like at like 3 something in the morning. Y'all, I don't know if she sleep or if she watching me, because she making this sleeping noise. Oh, she sleep. She is sleep. Hilarious. Anyways, I'm about to continue to watch this, but the house is pretty much clean, and I don't really have nothing to do, and it's like 8 something, almost 9 o'clock. Mornings with Nano starts at 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna get on that at 9 o'clock. I'll probably show y'all a little bit of Mornings with Nano, and yeah, so pretty much is, like I said, it's Thursday, and I just haven't been doing a good job with my content. Like when it comes to like, I need to have a plan. That's pretty much what I'm going with. I need to have a plan. I need to plan out things a little bit better. My hair should not be all over my head all the time. Like, get it together. But like I said, I'm giving y'all the real. This is really how I be in the house with my hair not done. But I do want to get better with this, not because of YouTube. I want to look presentable and cute all the time for my mans, for me, myself, and for just my children to see their mom just looking beautiful, looking good, keeping herself up and stuff like that. So that's something I need to work on regardless of YouTube or not. So hey y'all, I'm watching Mornings with Nano right now. He comes on YouTube Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. and he's a part of iMaster Academy, the MMX package, which basically you get like a mentor with different educators. But he does that on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But yeah, he tells us to put 5 for something. I think. Got Nevaeh omelet going. Yes, it's fat. I didn't mean to do it that fat, but whatever. Okay, so in mine, I'm about to put in a bell pepper, onion, tomato. I got some green onions, cheese, and I got some of this leftover taco meat that I'm gonna put in there. I got this, not the taco meat, I got this omelet ideal because I was watching J Vlogs and she made that for breakfast, and I was like, I'm finna get that too. So yeah, I'm not finna show y'all how I'm making it or anything like that. I'm about to just show y'all what I'm doing, and then y'all gonna see the end result. So but I'm about to try to flip it, y'all. Well, not flip it, but you know what I mean. Put this, try to like, okay, struggle. Probably need to put this phone down. This is so fat. I need a bigger pan first off to try to do it better next time. But this is my second time making an omelet ever in my life. The first time was the one I made for Nevaeh. This is the second time. That's why I was like, I ain't gonna show y'all what I'm doing. But anyways, I'm about to plate this junk. It's too fat to close it up. I'm about to plate it. Yes, this is gonna be so good. Oh, hold it up. Yeah, I love tomatoes. There's a tomato left over. We're not leaving you tomato. That's what we're not gonna do. It wasn't coming. Oh. Did you like it, Nevaeh?
Yeah, I ate all of it.
Well, good. I'm glad you liked it. Okay, put some hot sauce. Okay, y'all, I told Nevaeh that if I make that for her, that she would have to eat the whole thing. So I don't know if she ate it because she really liked it, or she knew that I wasn't playing when I said that if she don't eat it.
I ate it because I really liked it.
Okay, great. I'm glad. Let me try this. Okay. Yo, so good, so good. I'm wasting stuff all over my phone. I gotta go. Yeah, see, this is if gotta do what you gotta do was a person. I remember these days walking to work. Nevaeh is making bracelets that she's selling. I'm using her phone, by the way, so that's why it looks the way it's looking. Because to me it looks kind of different. But I don't know who that was for. But anyways, it don't matter. Y'all don't know these people. But these so far are the ones she's made. Are you making this for somebody?
That's Isabella's.
Oh, this one is Isabella's. She said, okay. So yeah, this is what she did. Oh, she made this one for Zay. Ta-da-da-da-da. But y'all, okay, so I made ramen, veggie ramen, and basically it's ramen noodles. And I got some onions and bell peppers and broccoli in there. Also, I really don't, y'all, this looks so weird and different. But anyways, I do not know where my phone is at. Y'all, Zadie is so cute right here. So freaking cute. I wish y'all can see. Oh yeah. I forgot my phone is right here on the charger. Fell in love with the evening. Hold on. There a bus.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, hold on.
Are you gonna actually put that on your YouTube?
Uh-huh. I am.
I'm gonna sit in the car.
You wanna sit in the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm about to sit in the car because I'm gonna tell them about. Hold on, y'all. I'm pulling in my driveway. Okay, y'all. I got a kid's meal. Pass it to him. Okay, so Bea don't know what I was doing at the store, so she wanted to go to Dairy Queen, and so in my mind, I already knew what I was gonna get. She didn't know I was gonna get none. She just went to get a cone, which she got. Show your cone. Okay, she got a cone. So when I first ordered, I said, "Hey, may I get a kids meal chicken strip with fries, Sprite?" And she said, "Do you want a cone?" Yes. And she said, "You want a cup or a cone?" I said, "Babe, you want a cup or a cone?" They said a cone. So, and she said, "Anything else?" I said, "Yes. Can I get a medium fry and another cone?" And she said, "Small, medium, large." I looked at Bea. Medium is what I ordered. She didn't say nothing. I just looked. I'm like, medium, because I'm acting like that's for me. So basically, what I was doing is the kids meal is like $4, maybe $5 the most, but $4, and you get chicken strips, fries, a drink, and a cone for $4 or $5. I got my cone. I got Neo the fries, and I'm gonna eat the chicken strips. Look how big it is. It's one. Definitely got really. So yeah. What's today? Oh, today's Friday. It's probably gonna be a short vlog, y'all. Probably so. I'm trying. Man, I'm trying.
Tomorrow we can go to the park.
Yeah, probably so. I still need to meet Marshall. Maybe so. But so basically, and I don't know where my wallet at because I tried to pay for it. I have to get Bea to pay.
I didn't see you.
I probably left it when because I kept doing stuff back and forth in the house.
You should put
Is it good, Neo?
ice cream and fries on your.
I don't want that. I'm just smacking my back off.
Funny with it.
Y'all, he took Nevaeh's ice cream and look at him looking in the mirror eating it. We just walked in.
He gonna eat the paper. I'm not gonna take it.
What you say? Y'all, Nevaeh drank my little bitty drink.
No, I didn't. I didn't.
Yes, you did. Why you drink my drink? Yeah, I came back in here. Look at her, look at her, look at her, look at her.
I grabbed it. Mom, what you gonna get out of this whole little drink? You think I'm gonna?
Why you drink my drink?
I didn't drink your drink.
Y'all, when I got it, said it was gone.
Cause that's how little it is. Oh, Sadie. I love you.
She's giving Zadie from me.
No,
She don't want you exactly. I was like, she wants to get fed. She's ready for stuff. She's like, y'all ate. Now it's my turn. Y'all, I miss my mouth. I'm watching a whole bunch of stuff from the watch later on my YouTube. I'm watching stuff from Christmas, stuff from months from that, but the purpose of watch later is to watch later. And some of the stuff I let go too long. But what I really need to do is be cleaning up. I got Zadie right here next to me. I'm eating some pasta salad and just chilling. But yeah, happy Friday. And if y'all are new here, my name is Ida Rolte. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
It's just something. Don't act like it.
I know. Y'all go back and watch that. I only got 9 views.
I'm gonna vote for you, okay?
Okay, vote for me.
I'm gonna vote for you too, Cam.
Y'all, Zadie over there in her car seat. We just got back from Chipotle, and right now what I'm doing is I'm not cleaning the dishes tonight. Judge your mama. Okay, basically what I was saying is my phone did something weird. I keep doing it. I don't know what weird thing I keep doing, but anyways, I don't feel like doing this. So what I'm doing is stacking them all up over here and just, you know, just so it won't just look cluttered and stuff tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm going to do a lot of cleaning. If y'all see right here. So pretty much that's my to-do list for tomorrow. Pretty much a very cleaning day it's gonna be on tomorrow, y'all. What the heck? I need to utilize the tripod that I have because clearly, but anyways, y'all tired. Zadie tired. Good night. See y'all Saturday. Y'all hear Neo? Anyways, Grand Rising. It's Saturday. It's about almost 9 o'clock. I took a shower. Me and Zadie been up, but she's right here. That's why this is right here. But anyways, I'm about to get out of here so I can go see what Neo is in there talking about. What's up, buddy? Grand Rising. How are you?
Me?
Y'all, making the pizza. I kind of ripped the box up because I'm going to use the box to put the pizza on because I wanted it to be cooked on the rack. But we do have a pizza thing. I just didn't feel like pulling it out because when I'm done, I'm throwing this box away. I ain't cleaning no dishes. But yeah, today's been a really great day. Chilling with the family, cleaning up. Yeah. But what was I about to say? Oh, so they have been begging me to do a video, like a morning routine video. So I think the next video I'm gonna make that is just not a vlog, not gonna be like through the week, whatever. It's gonna be a video of just my morning routine. And oh gosh, y'all gonna have to bear with me because I don't even know how I'm gonna do it, because I guess I'm just like, yeah, whatever. It's gonna be good. Take it, baby. Yeah, okay. So I'm about to get some banana pudding ice cream and a cupcake. I got the icing on it. Bea already got one, but she got one without a cupcake with her ice cream. But I think it's gonna be so good. Oh yeah, and the veggies, rice, and the sweet potatoes was delicious. Anyways, I got baby girl with me right here. Y'all see her? Look at her little hand. She's trying to grab the phone. Anyways, bye y'all. Y'all, this thing right here, it was just like right here. Look at this dude. Hey, y'all, he got a fork, some oil, blocks. Come back. A spoon. Come on, where are you going? Thing. Hey girl. Zadie's in the car. Hold on, let me see if I can, without showing her. Okay. Bread. Sir. This. See, I think I wanna. Ooh, these are on sale. Yeah. Yeah, those are not on the list, but I'm getting them. They're on sale. Those. I don't remember if I showed y'all the food, but this is Zay's food that I got like in a container because he's working. So this is what I'm trying to show y'all if I didn't show y'all, because I don't remember if I showed y'all. So yeah, I'm just showing y'all this, and yeah. It's Sunday night. It is 9:02 right now, and I'm about to end the vlog on here. And yes, I got some new stuff coming for y'all, for real, for real. I know that I say that to y'all all the time, but I'm serious. I got some stuff for y'all. But yeah, the kitchen is kind of clean. Like, this is what it's looking like, and this is what it's gonna look like until the morning. But that's all I'm doing. The floor is at least swept, and then the stuff over here, it's not really bad. So, but yeah, the counter over here is pretty clean, and that's how I'm gonna leave it. Ooh, some of my, yeah, I've been eating cake and ice cream. But anyways, I'm about to end this vlog right here, like I said, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See ya. Peace.